Elementor's Image Optimizer has been around for quite a while now, and after using it for a couple months, here is my review. It's easy to set up and has minimal settings like choosing compression level, optimizing images whenever they are uploaded, and creating backup. The con here is that it works on credits and one image costs up to 5 credits. Also, the pricing seems affordable, but the problem here is that you can pay extra for other speed plugins for more functionalities, including image optimization. So, this can be a good choice for beginners or someone who has few images on their website. Now, let's go through each feature one by one by installing it on a WordPress site. Look for Image Optimizer. Here it is. Let's install and activate it. Next, go to Install Plugins and here, click on Settings. To begin, you need to connect it with your Elementor account. So let's click on Connect, click Activate, fill out the details here and click this button. Awesome. Now go back to your plugin, click on Activate to start. It's done. Now let's go through these settings. You can set the compression level as lossless or lossy from here. Lossless keeps the quality of the image close to the original one and only removes information like metadata from it. You can keep this if you don't want to compromise on quality, but if you want your site to load fast and do not care about losing few pixels from the images, which is by the way not noticeable, then go for lossy. Next, I'm gonna increase the pixels here so that I can resize larger image easily. You can keep the clear EXIF metadata to remove all the metadata and reduce image size. This will not remove the metadata you need for SEO, so don't worry about it. Next, keep the convert to WP feature on, as this can automatically convert your images to WP format. Under the file optimization, I'll choose only the medium large and large sizes from the drop down and uncheck all other options. I think we are done. Now let's optimize some images. To do that, click on bulk optimization under media. The plugin has already detected all the images on my site, so just click on the optimize all button and it will start optimizing the images for you. I'll also use a timer here to check the amount it takes to optimize all the images. Alright, it took me around 18 minutes to optimize 50 images, which is not good because there are plugins like Airlift that optimize images, fonts, code and all the elements of your site in just a few minutes. Anyways, now let's have a look at the results of the compression process. In this image, we can see that the file size has been reduced to 313 KB and the dimensions are now 1812 by 2560 pixels. If we take a look at the original image, it had a size of 5.71 MB with the dimensions of 4636 by 6548 pixels. Although there is a significant difference in the dimension, the picture quality has remained more or less intact. Now, let me talk about other options that are available in the same segment. I'll compare image optimization with short pixel and EWW and show you the pros and cons of each. While Image Optimizer by Elementor does a great job at reducing the size of the images, it only allows you 250 credits for a free plan, with about 5 credits for a single image. This means that you can only convert 50 images. On the other hand, Short Pixel offers you the scope of optimizing 100 images with the free plan, and you get unlimited image optimization options with EWW. If you are looking to upgrade to a paid package, you can choose from 3 distinct plans. These plans offer up to 5,000, 20,000 and even 1 million image credits respectively. On top of that, you can only use the free version of Image Optimizer by Elementor just for a month, and after which you need to upgrade. When you compare this to Short Pixel and EWW, you get to use Short Pixel for free with 100 credits per month, and EWW allows you to use it for free indefinitely. So, while Image Optimizer by Elementor gives you fast image optimization with excellent results, you get to have more long-term benefits with other plugins. Surely it's worth a try, but there are other plugins that come with more useful features. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.